Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope everybody's having a good day out there. If you're new here, please hit subscribe down below. It really helps me out. And if you want to be notified of my future uploads, click the little bell next to it. Today I have for you, sent to me by Modelones, is a Halloween Luminous Platinum Gel Kit. And there's 6 pots like this. They glow in the dark. I've seen the pictures. They look really cool. These look like 0.5 milliliters. And these are gel polishes. I've seen a couple people trying to use them as hard gel or builder gel. These are soak-off gel polishes. They're just coming in a pot so that you can use your own brush or the brush that they include, which is a collapsible brush. And number 6, it did have a plastic protector on it, but I just took it off and rubbed it against my skin just to loosen up the shipping product that's in the bristles. So I'm going to swatch these 6 gels for you. And I'll have links to everything below, and I want to let you know they're having a big Halloween sale. I will link the sale page directly down below. If you use one of my links, it should apply my code automatically. But if not, to save yourself 15% at modelones.com, use code NOI15. They also have stickers. I've seen some. I'll put a few pictures up maybe of some of the products they have on there. They have some really long, those spooky Halloween nails. They have a whole bunch of new stuff, dip powders, polygels. Some glow in the dark, some don't. Here's the sticker kit. Let me play with some of these. Maybe some other little decors or blings or something. And they do come all nicely sealed up, nothing coming out. They're labeled 1 through 6. There's 6 of them in a pot. And you just pull off the little tab and reveal the gorgeous color that's inside. So at the end of the video, there will be pictures of these nails in both daylight and in dark. So I encourage you to stick around to see the end. Oh, the purple. So this is number 1. I'm going to go in numerical order. And I'll probably speed up my playing with the gels after I get the first one done. And these are soak-off gel polish. They're not builder gel. I've seen some people using it in poppets and whatnot. It's not intended to build a gel nail. It's just to color a nail. I'm going to do 2 coats on each nail and cure them for 30 seconds in between. I already prepped this nail and had the base down, of course. Takes a little bit getting used to when you're using a new gel brush. So the first coat goes on really nice. It's definitely going to need 2 coats. I really like this purple. I can't remember what colors they illuminate. I'm sure I'm going to see a sneak peek in my lamp. So again, I'm going to do 1 coat on each, cure it, and come back and do some nail art at the end. Remember, you can always do a little glitter placement if you find that you've got stars or different glitters in different places. Here's pot number 2. I'm going to do all 1 coat and then come back and do a 2nd coat on all of them. That way I'm not having to wait for my nail lamp. Oh, this is just so pretty. I would wear them sheer. I definitely would wear them a bit sheer. This is number 3. I'm interested to see what this looks like on the nail. It's like day glowing right here in front. Ooh, this is weird. Definitely spooky. Kind of, oh, it's just so cool. It's weird. It's weird and cool, which is what Halloween's all about, right? This one's number 4. I've already peeled off the safety seal on the inside. Definitely a fall color. Not to my taste. I do know a couple of people that do like a mustard yellow. Number 5. Let's see, I don't remember what the colors were. A green? It has red glitters in it. This could be a Christmas nail too. That would look kind of cool at Christmas time. And this is number 6. Got all these pots in my way. Number 6. Ooh, this is to me more like a Easter color. Little dots, like colored Easter egg. That's a playful little color. I wonder what color they glow. I will mark on my photos color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 so that you will know. Okay, let me give these all a cure. Okay, going in again with number 2. I'm going to try to do them all on the same stand. See if that'll work better for me. I'm just slinging stuff around today. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm really digging this blue. Oh, this is number 3. I got a little bit of the green onto here earlier. I bumped it going into the nail lamp. I guess it's because I'm used to working with builder gel on a brush so much. These are really, really thin. They're not thick at all. So that's why I'm having a little trouble. I'm slinging it around. I just used my builder gel. And for when I would say would look much cooler with Easter. Oops, I didn't wet my brush. I got a little bit of green in there. So there may be a little bit of color differences just because I didn't clean my brush out great between each coat. So I'm going to give these a cure. Okay, I'm going to play with some of their stickers, maybe a few gems, I'm not sure. I did top coat just a real light layer of top coat so I didn't have to mess with the sticky layer or what have you. It seems that anytime I've done gels with glitter, if you put a little bit of top coat down first, if you made lumpy errors, it helps hide helps your stickers stick down, and you know, these are delicate stickers. So that way they will bend with your finger. Now, that'll probably be all for the stickers. I'll put some kind of gem on here or something, maybe. I don't know. Well, you know, we need something dark too. Hanging off. Oops. Long nail problems. Tree hanging off the edge a little bit. Modelones does sell a lot of gel polishes. They have acrylics, they have hybrid gels, which is poly gels. They have everything now. They have stickers, they have gems. I want to get a hold of some of the other gems that I've seen. And you would top coat this, and I'm going to top coat it in after the video. Still needs on. I'm going to give all these a cure, top coat them in, and then I'll put reveal pictures at the end of the video. So thank you everyone for being here with me today. I appreciate it. If you want to purchase any of these items, they're available at the link below. It should apply the code automatically. I'll link you with the whole Halloween sale page if I can. Thank you everyone for being here with me. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye bye.